Hey guys, happy Vlogmas and welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese pumpkin stew, vegetarian, but I'm gonna make it keto friendly. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious pumpkin stew, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. All right guys, and I'm gonna eat this pumpkin stew with some air fryer shark fish, but air fryer shark fish is gonna be in another video. All right guys, this video is just to show you guys how to make the pumpkin stew only. All right, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this dish, I will also leave in the description box down below. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys watch this video. And I want to ask you guys to please watch the ads in the video as well. I would really appreciate it. Alright, so let me just show you how to make this delicious Guyanese keto-friendly pumpkin stew. Enjoy guys, enjoy. And if you're new to my channel also, I want to tell you guys that I will be uploading a video every single day, so come back every day and you'll see a video from me. Alright guys, so here's my ingredients. Enjoy. Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make my pumpkin in coconut milk. So over here I have my chopped up pumpkin, some grated onion, garlic, ginger. I have fine leaf thyme and hot Scotch bonnet pepper. I have my parsley, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning cube, onion powder, garlic powder. Over here I have the celery and shallots, and I have some coconut milk here. So let's go and fry up our veggies now. So I just put on my pot there, so I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So now I'm going to put in my shallots, celery, onion, garlic, ginger, fine leaf thyme, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. And give this a stir. And let us fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll be back. So it has been frying up for 3 minutes. So I'm going to pour in my pumpkin now. I'm going to give it a stir. So now you're going to flavor your pumpkin. So over here I have the red cubes. This is going to give it a color. I have my garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, parsley, and black pepper. And give it a stir. Alright, I'm just going to cover this and let it fry down a little bit. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in some ghee, about a teaspoon of ghee. And you're gonna mix this up. So now I'm going to pour in some coconut milk. And a bit of a stir. Let me taste it, see if it needs any more. Okay, I need one more cube, so I have the regular cube here, so I'm just gonna put it in. Guys, normally I put sugar in my pumpkin, but I can't put sugar in my pumpkin because I can't use any sugar. Ugh, oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm not gonna put any sugar inside of it, so I'm gonna cover this down and let this boil for maybe like 10 minutes, and we'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so my pumpkin has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Cover, so I just took out the cover and let this cook down a little bit more for maybe the next 5 minutes, and it's all done, so we'll be back. So it's been 5 minutes and the water dried down a little bit, but I'm gonna take off my stove now. So this is my pumpkin stew, guys. So I'm gonna plate it and taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese vegetarian pumpkin, and also I made it keto friendly. I'm gonna be eating my pumpkin with some shark air fryer fish and some lettuce. So this is my lunch for today. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright guys, in another video I'll show you guys how to make the air fryer shark fish. Alright, take care and have a blessed day. Bye guys.